art is a really good way to bring out some issues that words can't describe, and I've really got a newfound respect for broken objects, and I always look at things and I go, how can I fix that?
This is going to help teachers connect to who they are, and by connecting to who they are, actually inform their practice in different ways.
It was a really incredible experience.
So this transformative repair project is to provide a safe space for people to talk about the damage that they've experienced in their environment and in their own lives, and to use the resources that we have provided to help them transform the damage. So at Christian College Geelong, we were introducing the project to the team of pilot teachers, and we were walking them through all the different materials that we had designed for this. You're going to explore damage, you're going to talk about it, and then you're going to move into a phase where you're going to transform. So transforming means that you have to highlight the damage. So it's not about repairing it so that it looks like it's never broken, and create a story around it.
So we did a walk around of inside the buildings, and we were started with looking for literal damage, cracks in the walls, bits missing and all that stuff that happens. Looking at how we view damage, it comes back to then, how do we then translate that for the kids?
I think these initiatives are really important because they give you a platform from which to launch that learning that's underpinned by some, really authentic research, something that you can put in teachers' hands that they can then grab hold of and transform that into our context.
Today we visited Carey Grammar School, who delivered the project with half the Year 7 cohort.
We were taken to the art room, right? And we were given all these old objects, and we finally found this teacup, and we were like, wow, this is the most basic object here, but we could do something crazy with it.
It was just really fun. We got to change it completely from what it used to be.
Both of us were amazed at what we could do with damage at the end of it.
What they've come up with is truly, I think, exceeding any expectation we had. We've been working on the pilot materials for a while. To see them form in a school is very exciting.
It's a beautiful way of us, I guess, acknowledging the brokenness that is in our community, which we've seen flow out in all sorts of different ways over the last couple of years, but it moves it into a more productive space.
I've always been interested in the idea of transformative repair, the idea of making something that is broken beautiful again. The Japanese word is kitsugai, that's the art movement for transformative repair. We've been through a terrible experience in the world with COVID. What was it that we were going to do to repair society, to repair ourselves? And so the idea of a pilot where we focus on this got legs very, very quickly, and we're so happy that it's gone the way that it has.
So we're hoping that the schools, when they take the Transformative Repair project on, they will find ways in which they can move their students, towards a vision of a more sustainable, a more beautiful, a more joyful world. We are hoping that students can begin to see that perfection is not really the end of life. That's not the reason why we are doing this, but that there is beauty in everything that we do, and that we should embrace that.